In this lesson, we're going to go over the constant rule for derivatives. So the derivative of a constant c is equal to 0. When you see this expression, it means that you're differentiating c with respect to x. So let's say, for example, if we want to differentiate 5, the derivative of 5 is equal to 0. The derivative of a constant like -7 is equal to 0. So there's no variables attached to it, it's going to be 0. So for example, let's say if y is equal to 24. The derivative of y, which is y prime, that's going to be 0. Let's say if f of x is equal to pi. Pi is not a variable, it's a constant. So the derivative of that function, which is denoted f prime of x, that's going to be 0. Now, let's say if y was equal to e. E is a constant, so y prime will be 0. So make sure you know which numbers are constants and which ones are not. But if you see a number by itself, or if you see pi or e, those are constants. And the derivative of any constant is 0. But now let's prove that. So let's say if we have a function and it's equal to 8. Let's show that f prime of x is equal to 0. And let's use the definition of the derivative to show this. So we know that f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 for f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Now, if f of x is 8, what is f of x plus h? Everywhere we see an x, we need to replace it with x plus h. Because there's no x, f of x plus h will simply be 8. So we have the limit as h approaches 0, 8, and f of x is also 8 divided by h. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So we have the limit as h approaches 0, 0 over h. 0 divided by h is 0, so the whole thing is 0. Therefore, the derivative of any constant will always be 0. As you can see, these two will be the same. So thus we have the constant rule. The derivative of some constant c will be equal to 0.